The service light on your Ford Ranger indicates that routine maintenance is due, such as an oil change. This dashboard indicator alerts you when maintenance like oil changes is needed. It's designed to help prevent engine damage by reminding you of scheduled services. The light is triggered by mileage intervals, time elapsed, or sensor data, such as the oil life monitoring system that calculates remaining oil usability. To reset it, for most 2019-2024 Ford Ranger models, turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. Then use the steering wheel controls to navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Oil Life, or Service, and select Reset while holding the OK button. On Rangers equipped with Sync 3 or 4, use the touchscreen to go to Vehicle, Maintenance, and select Reset Oil Life. Always reset the light only after you've performed the actual maintenance, such as an oil change. Ignoring it can cause serious engine damage. For newer 2025 and later hybrid models, you might need confirmation through the Ford Pass app. Always follow Ford's guidelines to avoid voiding your warranty. This ensures your vehicle remains covered and safe. If the light persists after a reset, it could indicate a deeper issue, especially relevant after the 2023 Ranger recall for oil sensor problems. Future Rangers may use AI to auto-reset lights, making maintenance even easier. Ford Pass app resets are expanding, allowing remote resets after service receipts are uploaded. If you get stuck, consult your vehicle's digital manual via the Ford website or app for model-specific steps. Be cautious of third-party apps that might damage your system. See a professional for complex issues.